Yep, y'all see it. Fuck with me. I'm just fooling right now, doing my thing. You know, I'm about my life. I'm Nuke. Follow me on Instagram, Nuke that. Nuke that guy, you know what I'm saying? Nuke underscore that guy. Follow me on there. I'm just gonna talk my shit though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep it real G. Gotta keep my shade blocked, as you know. My shit blowing up right now, you see. But y'all can follow me on what's that, Twitter? Y'all got Twitter. Y'all got Facebook. I'm Moneyboy Nuke on Twitter. Moneyboy Nuke on Facebook. And Instagram. It's Instagram is motherfucking Nuke underscore that guy. Follow me. Yeah, if you need that crispy cut, follow me too, cause I'm over there on Chicago and Mendota area. Y'all know that area between Wyoming and Myers. 10527 West Chicago. Come get y'all crispy Nuke cuts, cause I'm doing it. Y'all know how I do it. I keep y'all crispy. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Just like my money. You know what I'm saying? It's you know what I'm saying, it ain't nothing over here, you know what I'm saying. I got some files in there too, cause you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie about mine, you know what I'm saying. All this is like a fan, you know. When you get hot, you gotta fan yourself, you dig? When you get hot, you gotta keep fanning yourself, you know what I'm saying. My money like that, you dig? I know y'all ladies out there loving my dimples and shit, cause you know y'all ain't even know I had that, but get on me, you know. I feel you, my babies. Holla at me, this dude.